The Octagonal Windmill, in Maltese, Il-Mithna tat-tmien kantunieri, located in Xewkija, on the main road, midway between Victoria and Micallef, stands as the oldest surviving windmill in Gozo. It was commissioned by Grand Master Ramon Perello's Micallef and started operating in 1710 by the miller Xewkija. Perellos has also made Giovanni Gozo as the procurator of wheat, where Giovanni would receive a commission on all grain he brought to Malta. Gozo has his residence, which later used to be known as the Gozo Tower, in Xewkija. The windmill consists of a large entrance hall with 2 parallel rooms. At the back of the mill, there is a kitchen which still retains its original oven. In the middle of the mill, there is a winding staircase leading to the mill roof. Above the entrance hall, there is the birth room. The windmill remained in use until 1886, as a fire destroyed it. The mechanical parts were reinstalled. The windmill has been restored and was inaugurated on the 29th of January 2021. Concrete elements that were added later during the years were removed, and a small square nearby was added.